Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. A few days back I had some boiled potatoes in the refrigerator and I didn't want to cook my regular aloo ka sabzi. Let's see how to make a delicious creamy aloo kofta curry. For the gravy, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to throw in some almonds and cashew nuts, about 10 almonds and 10 cashew nuts, and quickly just fry them. Here I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic that I've finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger, and I'm going to add 2 sliced onions, and I'm going to saute these onions till they're soft and pink. The onions have turned soft and translucent. Let's add 2 tomatoes, roughly chopped. I'm going to add a cup of water to this. Mix this well, and I'm going to cover and cook this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. The tomatoes are cooked, they are nice, soft and mushy. I'm just going to add half a cup of beaten yogurt to this. And on a low flame, let's saute this mixture. As you can see, the oil has slowly started to separate. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Shut the flame. And now let's cool this and grind this mixture into a fine paste. Now in the same kadhai, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, I'm going to throw in some whole spices like the cinnamon, 1 inch of cinnamon, 1 star anise and 2 green cardamoms. Once they leave their aroma, I'm going to add the ground paste. Mix this well. Since the masala is already cooked, I'm going to add half a liter of water to this. Let's add some salt to taste. And bring the gravy to a boil. You can add water to this gravy as per the consistency that you need. The curry is boiling. I'm going to simply finish this off with some cream. So here I'm adding 2 heaped teaspoons of fresh cream, giving it a final stir, and I'm going to shut the flame and keep the gravy aside. Now to make the aloo koftas, here I have 3 medium-sized potatoes that I've boiled and peeled. To that, I'm going to add some salt, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 10 to 15 raisins, and a tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts, some finely chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of amchur powder and half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder. I'm going to mash this and mix this well. Our mixture for the aloo kofta is ready. You can also stuff these koftas with paneer and make a paneer kofta curry. Now let's make small tikkis with this mixture. Our tikkis are ready. I'll quickly wash my hands and then we'll pan fry these nice and crisp. I'm going to heat some oil in a pan. And once the oil is nice and hot, let's quickly fry these tikkis. After a minute, I'm just going to flip these tikkis and cook it on the other side as well. Look at the beautiful golden color. These tikkis are ready. Let's remove them. Let's fry the remaining tikkis. To serve this dish, I'm going to place the koftas in a serving bowl. And I'm going to simply pour this piping hot gravy onto these aloo koftas. Now to finish this gravy off, I'm going to drizzle in some fresh cream and just sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves. And our aloo kofta curry is ready to be served. You can serve this at a party to your vegetarian friends along with some paratha or steamed rice. So do try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.